Hi, I'm Federico from Vision Tech, and today I want to talk to you about the BTC antibacterial treatment used exclusively on light alloy components. It is a silver ion treatment that provides the external surfaces of components with antibacterial characteristics that remain 100% permanent over time. This avoids the spread of bacteria that might contaminate the product during the production, manufacturing, preparation, and conservation phases. The BTC treatment is considered a genuine new material, and it is a valid alternative to the costly materials that are currently in use. For example, titanium alloys, stainless steel, or coated steels with expensive coatings. Option to apply the treatment to Vispol modular tooth pulleys, Vischnucent fake teeth, and Vischnu blocks dowel screws. Thanks to its resistance to corrosion, it is suitable to use in the presence of salts, sugars, oils, fats, and in both acidic and alkaline environments. The heat dissipation capacity of 35% greater than other steels or light alloys, lighter by more than 300% compared to traditional components made of stainless steel. The increased hardness of the external surface makes the component particularly wear resistant. Non-adhesive anti-grip action makes the surface particularly smooth. The BTC treatment is particularly in demand in the food and pharmaceutical sectors, where there is an even greater need to comply with the hygiene directives laid down by the MOCA legislation. For more information, please visit our website vision-tech.it. Thank you, and see you soon.